Welcome back to another video with your one and only Trader Sam. I'm going to be telling you what we can expect next with Bitcoin. Massive bullish CVD divergences playing out within this consolidation. I've got a feeling that this is going to have an explosion, and let's just hope that it is to the upside, because that is what the analysis is showing us so far. But before we get into this, guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes, and you know what to do. Smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button, guys, because we are getting bullish. We have this nice triangle, and at the moment we don't really need to pay too much attention to marking off daily MPOC, weekly levels, etc. within this range, because it is pretty much textbook at the moment. So we've been looking at this MPOC above, though, in terms of targets. We've been looking at this MPOC level at 37k. It still very much stands out to me at the moment as, you know, the first stop, as we do get above 35,800, where we had that initial high put in. So the next major resistance level is 37k. We have been pumping for quite some time, and it is normal that we should expect a bit of a pullback before some more continuation to the upside. As we know, things don't just go in straight lines, either up or down. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to find those levels where we could get a potential reaction from, so that we can get into those nice shorts or long setups. At the moment, we are looking for that short, though. If you've missed getting in longs from lower prices on higher time frames, we should come down to test this breakout zone at 30 to 31k. You can see we had this massive level of resistance up here where we were rejected several times. I'll just highlight this in red for you. So we were rejected here several times, and that is now going to be a major level of support. And because we have yet to come down and retest that zone, I know it may not look like it because things are extremely bullish at the moment. However, like I said before, if you're patient enough to wait on higher time frames, we will eventually get that retest of that zone. I do think it's possible that we create a new range now, possibly between 37 to 40k and that 30k region where we broke out of. We should have some time trading within this zone for the upcoming weeks and months before eventually going on to high prices. Guys, if you are following this content and you're finding value from it, I highly recommend that you do check out our Legends Discord community. I want to give a quick shout out here to some of the community members. Mr. Wizard here making 111% profit on one trade. You can see here, guys, the team are absolutely smashing it. If you're looking for the best exchanges to do trading on, then look no further than Mexi and Bybit. I personally use both of them myself. Mexi is really good for scalping and day trading. It has the lowest fees across the whole market. I've checked, and no one comes close to them. They've got up to $20,000 worth in bonuses at the moment, and Bybit, you can claim up to $30,000 worth in bonuses as well. You can also get yourself 25% off when signing up now using the code Legendary25 for the Legends trading community, and that will be a lifetime deal. So if you're interested in these, guys, the links are here in the description. Back to the ES here, guys. You can see here clearly we are getting acceptance above this neckline of the inverse head and shoulders that we have been speaking about. So if you've been following the channel, this is something that we have been looking at well in advance, and it is playing out beautifully as expected. We also had that nice drop beneath the point of control, basically hitting our leg D of this bullish bat pattern, which was a daily. This was on the daily. So this is going all the way back to the 4th of May. That's when this pattern started. So we've been tracking this for a very long time. And as you can see here, prices literally come down and hit our leg D point almost to the dollar, where we were expecting price to breach the point of control here, gain acceptance above, to then create this inverse head and shoulders, and now we're getting that push to the upside. So we're tracking things very nicely here at the moment. That's all I've got for you at the moment, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.